Hello friends, in this video I will teach you that how you can turn off auto hyphenation in Adobe InDesign. So we will select type tool and we'll create a box here. Then we will go to type and we will fill this with placeholder text. Now you can see if I zoom in Control plus, so you can see there is a hyphen. Even you can also see hyphen here. So this auto hyphenation, if you want to turn off, so very simple way you can use. So I will select the text, Control A, and first of all you will have to double click inside the box, then Control A. Now go to window and type and tables and then paragraph. So this panel you will have to open, and then you can see here the last option is hyphenate. So if you see like this paragraph, then you can click here and show options. Now hyphenate, so just uncheck this option and you can see the hyphenation will be turned off. And if you want to turn on again, so you can check this option. So this is the simple way you can turn off hyphenate, because by default it's turn on. So if you want to turn off, you can turn off from here. Thank you very much for watching this video.